ready for a miracle. I'll chill until the sun.
Welcome back to my channel for another video. Today we're gonna do a mini twist with just one product. Today we're gonna be working with Camille Rose Almond Jai. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Sweet almond milk and honey. This will be the only product that we use today. You'll probably see me cutting my hair in between.
I'm just dusting, that's all. Just dusting.
So I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed. No products are currently in my hair. My hair is about currently 85% dry. I still have a little bit moisture in them, but it's 85% dry. I wanted my hair stretched out, but I didn't want it super dry. I wanted to still put the product on, and it was like at that like it's almost dry, but you can tell that it still has a little wetness to it. So we're gonna get started. I had to go get my Red Bull. Now let's start. So now you just see me parting my hair. Again, I am using Camille Rose Almond Jai. It smells so good. I'm telling you, like so good. Like it still smells good in my head. Still, I can smell it now. And I'm only using about a dab of this. Just a dab so that I can have all the hair strands saturated. I'm then going in with my comb, making sure that all the hair is detangled, and then doing a regular 2-strand twist. Easy, simple, and to the point. You can't see now, but a little later you will see me start to cut the ends, and I'm just doing just a dab, just a little cut. I'm not exactly too worried if my hair is uneven or not, because I do wear a lot of protective styles and curly styles, so it will just grow out either way, and I'll end up getting it professionally cut when I can find someone in my area that I trust to be in my hair. And again, just saturating the full hair strands, making sure that I'm combing the product through. And then just a simple 2-strand twist. one side of my hair done, and now I'm going to do the other side and come back. Yes. Okay, Camille Rose, you have done your job. Amazing. Amazing. Again, this is one product. One product created this style for me and this look, and I love it. I love it. It feels so soft. It's so smooth. It just smells amazing. I'm in love with this product. I literally am in love. And now it is bedtime. Good night. And they still feel so soft. They look so hydrated. Yes, Camille Rose, come through. Okay. And as you see, I'm just putting my favorite oil that I love on my scalp. Then using my vibrating head massager. And then using the oil again to rub on my ends. I'm just using dabs of oil, you guys. I'm not using a whole lot because my hair is already soft. I just wanted to make sure I sealed in that product. Since I did not put any oil on my hair the whole week I had these twists in. And then as you can see, I am just taking out my hair. Just how everyone normally takes out their twist outs. Nothing too special. Not separating the pieces that I am untwisting, just literally taking them out and letting them be. Oh, definition, you called? As you can see, I'm just using a regular wide tooth comb just to fluff out, you know, the roots and get that hairstyle to the volume that I want it to be. Now you see me just, you know, doing a little style. Nothing too extravagant. And guys, please do not judge me. I do not know how to do my edges. I try so much. Like I don't try so much. I try sometimes, and sometimes it comes out great. Sometimes, you know, I just end up just pushing everything all back. You know, listen, I'm working on it, but I think I did pretty good on my edges this time. I'm still learning.
And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, little baby girl. I see you, girl.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you could be notified when I release more content. Bye!
Just to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings and queens.